kitchenware. Kitchenware, or equipment, is a word that describes the necessary items for a particular purpose. It can be used to encompass many different items in all the departments of an establishment, so it is very important to know how and where to store equipment in your work area so that it is safe and hygienic. In this lesson, we will be focusing on storing equipment safely and the equipment count. Let's begin with storing equipment safely. To store equipment safely, let's begin by looking at your storage space. Because you are focusing on cleaning equipment, make sure that the storage area is spick and span to reduce the risk of equipment contamination so that you don't ruin all of your hard work. Next, make sure that the storage area is shelved and lifted from the ground. This is because storing equipment on the ground can result in contamination from dirt, water, or pests. Cleaning can be carried out very easily if the storage area is lifted from the ground. And lastly, ensure that equipment is stored in groups, such as containers together, pots together, and ladles together. Not only is this hygienically safe, but it is also so that you do not create an unsteady pile of equipment that might end up falling over and hurting you. Separate storage also makes it easy to find what you need and to perform a thorough, efficient inventory. This brings us to our next topic. Let's take a look at the equipment count. The equipment count should take place at least once a month so that you are sure of what you have and what you need to order. Ensure that there is a breakage list in case something is damaged or broken. A breakage must be recorded right away and worked into the inventory so that the end of the month stocktake is quick and simple. Luckily, equipment is usually made from strong materials that are functional and durable. Counting equipment is very important to ensure that there is enough stock so that the establishment is running smoothly and efficiently. If an equipment count is not performed monthly, it will be very tricky to keep track of equipment that is needed, and the establishment might suffer and underperform. Always remember that a neat and clean storage area makes for an easy, efficient stocktake. When you carry out the stocktake, make sure that you record all the details on formalized sheets that can be filled and given to your supervisor. These sheets can then be easily accessed and the establishment will never go short. Congratulations on completing this lesson. Enjoy storing the equipment in your department safely and performing the stocktake efficiently.